You know what time it is? Weekly vlog time. Everybody, thanks for joining the weekly vlog. Yes, he was correct. It is weekly vlog time. So let's get to it. Hello. Well, I got unloaded up there in Huntington, Indiana. Did headed down here to Muncie to get my load, and I dropped my empty over there, came over here and hooked up to my loaded trailer, and let me fix this. When I got in front of the trailer, you know, I had to lower it down a little bit because somebody dropped it too high. So I cranked the landing gear, then I tried to back under it, and it wouldn't connect. I pull up, back up, under it again, still wouldn't connect. So I remembered a little trick of the trade. You can see I'm kind of sitting at a little angle. If you can't hook up to your kingpin on the first try, kind of offset your tractor a little bit, and it worked for me first time. Let me show you how much of an angle I am. See, I'm a little bit, man, my truck is dirty, rolling dirty. You can see I'm kind of at an angle. Not too much, just enough. For some reason it throws it off a little bit and it hooks right up to it. So kind of a little trick of the trade, I guess. We're not too heavy, not heavy at all actually, 27,000 pounds, so I don't have to worry about scaling it out. And we're gonna take this to Laredo. Today, this is Friday evening. We'll go to the truck stop, park it. I got Saturday, Sunday, and all day Monday. I got to midnight Monday to get the load there. So awesome. So we're gonna finish up here and get on down the road. Saturday morning, Gaston, Indiana, at the Petro. Got showered up, got coffeeed up, getting ready to head on out of here. Pre-trip is 12 minutes in, got 3 more minutes to wait, and we head down the road. I don't know how far we're going to get. I got, well, like I said earlier, 3 days to get to Laredo, and wow. I think I make West Memphis tonight. I don't know, we'll see what happens when we get rolling. So I guess it'll be a nice day. Rained a little bit last night, nothing to worry about. Good stuff. Choked up on coffee. So, let's buckle up and get riding. Saturday night at the Petro in West Memphis. Noticed the guy having a little bit of problems backing in right next to me, and it's kind of tight, and plus it's about half the blind side. So another guy was out there giving him a hand, so I thought I'd go out there and see if I could be of any help. So yeah, we made it on down here. We'll park here for the night, get up in the morning and head down towards into Texas somewhere. We did 530 miles today, so we can do that tomorrow and the rest Monday. That'll be a good deal. So I'm gonna go in here and get something to eat and go to bed. This place is hopping tonight. Sunday morning, Petro, West Memphis, Arkansas. It's a dark and dreary morning. It's warm though. It's about 60, 64. Cloudy, windy. I think we're going to be hitting some storms going across Arkansas into Texas. So we're going to be on the lookout for that. If it's getting too bad, you know what we do? Yeah, we park it. I still got all day today and all day tomorrow to get down to Laredo, so I'm not in a big rush. Just want to get at least 400 to 500 miles in today. That way I don't have as many miles to drive tomorrow. So pre-trip is finished. We got our coffee. Oh, we're ready to get out of here. Well, I'm on 40 westbound, right around the exit for, well, I just passed 193 exit, getting closer to Little Rock, and I left Petro there in West Memphis, I don't know, an hour and a half ago maybe, and it wasn't raining then, but it was windy. The wind's died down a little bit, it feels like, and but it's starting to rain. It's not raining real hard, just a light rain. Enough to put the wipers on intermittent. And it looks like the clouds are starting to clear up over to my west, so we got to head down into Texas. And I heard they had some bad storms last night, yesterday. Hopefully all that's going to be out of the way by the time we get over there. Well, so much for my meteorologist skills. Got over here by Little Rock, and the wind has picked up, rain has picked up, and I'm going over this bridge over the Arkansas River, and it's windy. It's blowing me all over the place. Well, not all over the place, but I'm fighting it. And yeah, I'm here on the top now. Hopefully we can get over. Wow. One of the downfalls of being light when you're trucking in the wind. Wow. Alright, we're on our way down now. Woo-wee. Got a little hurry there for a minute. But yeah, this one I said the wind had calmed down a little bit earlier and picked back up double what it was earlier. The calm after the storm. Finally got all of that stuff on the ramp from 20 west to 35 east south. I want to see if sight, the sunset. It looked a lot better a while ago. I was hoping to get up here soon enough. Where else can you get a view like that? Truck driving. Get to see sunsets and sunrises all over the United States. Think about that. You're sitting behind your computer in the cubicle or in the factory inside all day or in that fast food restaurant. Not that there's anything wrong with them jobs. Perfectly okay. But you won't get the views as this truck drivers get. This is my cubicle. Right here. My office. That's all. Monday morning in Carl's Corner, Texas. The old Willie's place before Petro bought it out and took it over. And we're here drinking some coffee, getting ready to head down to the border, Laredo, Texas. Got plenty of time to get there. It's going to take about maybe 8 hours. We'll be down there this evening. We got till midnight to get the load there. Plenty of time. I'm kind of, it's 8:30 now Central, but I'm kind of waiting a little bit. Plus I got 5 more minutes on my pre-trip, and I'm going to hold off. Let some of that traffic die down to Waco and Temple and Austin and San Antonio and all that. So hopefully we'll get through there with no problems this morning. Wednesday morning, Laredo, Texas. Let's see what Monday morning. I left up there at Carl's Corner, came on down, dropped my loaded trailer here in Laredo over across town. Came back over here to the yard and I had a shock. There was like 80 trucks already here waiting to get out of here. Some kind of Mexican holiday they had on Saturday I didn't know about, and held up all the freight coming across the border, and they didn't start coming back till like Tuesday afternoon. So I sat there and sat here all day yesterday and this morning, which my batteries were dead again this morning, but luckily there's enough drivers down here that I wasn't the only one that had dead batteries. We all got together and I had one guy jump me, got me going, and we went over and got the other driver going, and it didn't cost any of us a penny. That's how it's supposed to work out, but it don't always work out that way. But we got it loaded now. We hooked up to a loaded trailer here on the yard, heading up to Little Rock, because it don't deliver in Cincinnati till Monday. So they're gonna have me drop it there on Little Rock, unless they change the appointment time for Friday or something. I don't know. I still probably gonna end up dropping it on Little Rock, in Little Rock. Hopefully get something and keep running good for the weekend. So we'll be up there Friday. I'm not gonna push it too much. I know I gotta leave it here at this time, 11:30 Central. That all that traffic up through Austin and San Antonio and all that's gonna be pretty heavy. So I'm just gonna ease on up through there. Get up there in Little Rock tomorrow sometime. Alright, let's get busy. Ciao from Italy, Texas. Never made it here last night. I left Laredo there, I don't know, 11, 12 o'clock yesterday. Drove on up here. I got here, it was late. I hit all that traffic up to San Antonio and Austin, and I really don't usually get this far, but I was wanting to get, some distance in yesterday. Having such a sit around Laredo all that time waiting on load, I was planning on going up to the Garland yard because I knew all this truck parking up through here was going to be packed up by the time I got it, you know, parked. So I pulled into Love's here in Italy, Texas, exit 386 on 35E, just south of Dallas. I was going to fill up my coffee thermos, and get something to eat going up to our yard there in Garland's. I knew there'd be parking up there. As soon as I pulled in here, I seen this parking spot, so I went ahead and pulled up, backed right on in, and decided I'd stay right here. So it's Thursday morning. Chilly out this morning, about 30-something degrees, and getting ready to head towards Little Rock. We got our coffee, got some breakfast cake to eat later on. Taking our pre-trip, finish up, and we'll be out of here. Made it to Little Rock. Dropped my loaded trailer over there, and they're sending me on a special mission. I think I did this special mission a while back, from here to Terrell, Texas, then down to Laredo. This time I'm taking this, well, undisclosed location where I'm going to from Little Rock. Then from there, going down to Laredo. Special mission. So it's Thursday afternoon. I got my empty already, everything checked out. So I'm gonna head on up the road somewhere and park for the night and start this mission off first thing in the morning. Gonna be a good one. So I better got some paperwork to do and get out of here. Thursday night, I left the yard there earlier, Little Rock. Came on up here to this Ozark, or the I-40 Travel Center in Ozark, Arkansas, on our special mission. Actually, I'm going up here to Topeka, Kansas, and pick up a load. So I want to end this week's vlog right here and start filming tomorrow for next week's vlog. So check out my Facebook page, PaleriderTV, Twitter, PaleriderTV, Periscope, PaleriderTV, all that good stuff. Send me a little note on there and say you watch my YouTube channel. I appreciate it. And let's see, what else I have to say. There's always something I want to say, but I can't ever remember until after I upload the vlog. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Thanks for all my new subscribers. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. It's free. And I think that's it. So everybody stay safe, and I will see you next week.